Hello and welcome back for today's puzzle. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 1. There's a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon if you'd like to solve along with me. Looks like today we're doing number 118. If we start with this box, looks like we're missing a 1, 5, and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 5, 9. And 9 here, so 1, 5, and that 9 here and the 1 there means this is our 5, so this is our 1 and our 9. If we look at this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, we're missing 4, 5, and 6. We've got a 4 and 6 here, so this is our 5. A 4 here, so this is our 6 and our 4. For this box then, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 5 here. So 9, 5. So it looks like for this column, we're just missing a 1. For this box then, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 4 here. So 6, 4. For this row then, we're missing a 2 and an 8. I don't see any help. So 2, 8, 2, 8. For this row, we're missing a 1 and a 3. We've got a 3 here. So 1, 3. For this box then, it looks like we're missing a 2 and a 7, and I don't see any help. So 2, 7, 2, 7. If we look at this column, it looks like we're missing a 1, 2, and 5. We've got a 2 and 5 here, so this is our 1. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 2. If we look at this bottom row, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 4 up here, so 7, 4. That 7 makes this our 2, 7. If we look at this column, then it looks like we're missing 2, 8, and 9. We've got the 2 and 9 here, so this is our 8. We've got a 2 here, so this is our 9, 2. To finish out this box, then it looks like we're missing a 6. And for this box, 1, 2, 3, 4, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 8, 5. For this row then, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 9. To finish out this box, it looks like we're missing 7 and 8. We've got a 7 here, so 8, 7. That 8 means this is our 2, 8. For this box then, it looks like we're missing a 3 and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 9, 3. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, so we're missing 5. For this column, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 7, 2. For this box then, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6 and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 8 and 6. And that's it for today's puzzle. Thank you again for joining me. Come back tomorrow for our next puzzle. I hope you're having a really good day, and I will see you tomorrow.